we're going to be showing you how to find and fix two of the most common toilet leaks. We're focusing on just one type of toilet in this video, the standard version with a flapper at the bottom of the tank. Since toilet leaks can be silent or intermittent, we'll be showing you how to do a dye test. You'll need 1 packet of dye tabs. You can also use food coloring, or even something like cranberry juice. Remove the toilet lid and drop the tablets or other colorant into the tank. Wait at least 15 minutes, then lift the toilet lid. If you see color in the bowl, this means you have a leak. Depending on the type of toilet, water coming from the bottom of the bowl, as in this video, indicates that the flapper isn't sealing properly. Flappers can crack or warp over time and let water seep into the bowl. First, shut off the water to the toilet. Then, flush the toilet so that you have an empty tank. Unhook the chain from the flush lever arm and push up from underneath the pegs holding the flapper in place to pop it off. To install the new flapper, push the ends back into the pegs, then reattach the chain to the lever arm. Open the toilet shutoff and ensure water flows back into the tank. Depending on the type of toilet you have, the dye test would show an overflow leak is coming down the sides of the toilet bowl, as opposed to from the bottom as we saw previously. The overflow tube is generally found on the left-hand side of the toilet tank. Here, we want to return the water level to the correct height to stop overflow. This would be about ½ inch below the top of the tube. To change the water level, all you need to do is rotate the fill valve adjuster until you reach the desired water level. You may need to flush the toilet in between adjustments to see how the water level changes. You can use a ruler or measuring tape and make sure it's at least ½ inch below the tube. For more information, visit ebmud.com/leaks.